On September 10th, a federal judge blocked the Trump administration from keeping certain immigrants from accessing community programs like Head Start, food banks, or health clinics. At issue is the interpretation of a 1996 law that allowed access to community programs for all, regardless of immigration status. The Trump administration reinterpreted that 1996 law to exclude migrants, even those that may be in the country legally, and 21 states, including the state of Wisconsin, sued. A federal judge recently agreed with the states and issued an injunction to block the Trump administration. At issue is, like we said, that 1996 law. It's the Personal Responsibility and Work Opportunity Reconciliation Act. That has long been interpreted to require states to verify a person's lawful immigration status before allowing access to certain programs like Medicaid, but also not requiring verification for other programs that are available to everyone in the community. The Trump administration reinterpreted that law to revoke exemptions that had been in place for nearly 3 decades by reclassifying community-level programs as federal public benefits, making them inaccessible to people without legal status or some with limited status, including student visas. It wanted states to verify every applicant's status before allowing participation in community services like a domestic violence shelter or soup kitchen. The injunction applies to 21 states, and like we said, that includes the state of Wisconsin, and the judge said she was skeptical of the Department of Justice's argument that all past administrations had misinterpreted the law. She wrote that policymakers could reasonably debate the merits of restricting access to programs, but in this case, the agencies acted in what she called an arbitrary, rushed way to change federal policy. She questioned the administration's rulemaking process and said it likely violates the Administrative Procedures Act. In a statement, the Attorney General for New York said, "With this victory, we are protecting children's education, safeguarding critical health care, and preserving the safety net that keeps families afloat." In a separate ruling on September 11th, a judge issued a nationwide injunction in a case brought by multiple Head Start associations in 4 states, where that interpretation of that 1996 law was blocking access to Head Start. Wisconsin was one of the states in that lawsuit as well. An appeal, the government says, is likely. You can read more on those lawsuits. We link to resources in the description below.